frontals, you don't like wiggy wigs, you know how to braid hair, and you want something you can slip on and slip off every day, this is the wig for you, you guys. Like, where is the wig? Where is my hair? My edges are out, y'all. Honey, baby. It's giving natural.
AK, Asha, AK, Kosh, AK, Asha,
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl, AshaKosh, back again with a new video. I've been getting so many comments and so many questions about my hair, and I'm finally here to give you guys all the details about my hair, which is a wig. And this is one of the best wigs I have ever worn. This is so easy to use, so easy to put on. Literally take it off every day and put it on every morning, and that is because it is a V-part wig. Like, where's the part? That's my scalp, you guys. That's my scalp. So if you guys want to know the details of this hair, definitely stay tuned and definitely like, comment, and subscribe. Today's video is sponsored by UNice hair. They have fantastic wigs, and the link to this wig will be in the description for you guys, and with a discount code, so you guys can save some money. So definitely don't forget to check out the description.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
Hey my lovely babes, so I'm gonna be starting off by showing you guys my braid down. My mom gave me this nice clean braid down. I honestly feel like you don't need a tight braid down with this hairstyle. If it's a looser braid, it's even gonna be better for the clip-ins to stay in. So I'm gonna start off by showing you guys what UNice gives you when you order a wig from them, and it came with a whole bunch of goodies in it. It even came with this robe that I have on. It came with a little bag. It had a wig cap in it, a scarf, some clips. It even came with a band that said UNice, which I would love for a lace. But since I don't have a lace on this wig, I don't have to use it, which is cool that they even sent it to me. And of course the wig. This is what the wig looks like straight out the box. It definitely needs some work, but it definitely doesn't look like it needs a lot of work. So it's definitely, I feel like, a beginner's style wig. Any beginners could definitely install this wig and make it look like a pro. Here's an up-close visual of the clips in the wig and the lace. And as you guys can tell, there's 2 clips on each side of the wig, and also a clip on the back to make sure the wig is secure and it doesn't move. And now I am playing with the wig, trying to really understand the clips so I can make this wig as flat as possible, so it can really give that illusion of like what lace and what, you know, where's the part, where's the wig, is this a wig illusion? So I'm just keep playing with it until I figure it out, which was pretty easy once I got it together.
Alrighty, you guys. Got my contacts in. I can see clearly now. Clip in the back is on. Okay, yeah, that looks pretty good. All right. I think I got it pretty close, you know what I'm saying? Like, you barely can tell. And what's gonna do it for the wig is when I tease it and get this, there you go. That's what I needed. So it looks pretty natural, like this, like, you barely can tell, but like up close and in the mirror, like I can tell, like that's, bitch, what is that? You feel me? So like clearly we gotta manipulate this a little bit more. I got the Im spray. And I'm just gonna try to like get it as close to like apparently if you tweeze it, you know, or not tweeze it, but like manipulate the hair a little. Like it's a little too perfect, you know? It's a little too perfect. But like this side is giving. Like this side, you can't tell. I don't know what the spray did, but it did things. Because clearly this side you can't see, and this side you can still see the track. And like this side you cannot at all. Like you see it, y'all see that. So like I'm gonna do the same thing to this side.
After teasing the other side, I'm now onto my edges, because with this wig you can see your edges. I am definitely gonna swoop my baby heads to the guides so that it gives what it needs to do, and I'm using Eco Edge Booster for my edges. If anybody wants to know, that's what I'm using. I definitely feel like edges definitely make this look even natural, because when you have the edges swooping really like, you know, how they need to be doing, it just brings the whole wig together. And when I cut this wig and shape it to my face, it just makes it look even more natural. So definitely do those tips, and this is how you make this wig look like it's growing from your scalp.
Put some Canton leave-in conditioner in the hair as well to give the little curls some moisture. I feel like doing this to your curly wigs definitely makes them look better, smell better, because of the processing they do for the wigs, the curly wigs. Like they do so much to process them. Like to make them look realer, you gotta do this. Alright, and now we can see what the curls are really talking about. I think I'm gonna cut like this much. So yeah, I'm about to cut this off. I think I'm gonna cut that much. I don't want it super duper long. I feel like super duper long curly wig is a dead giveaway. Yeah, I think that's about even. Now at this point, I need to cut layers into this wig. I'm about to get like the same amount of hair and cut it to my chin. And like, see how that's already framing my face really well? Like that looks really good. And like with that, I'm kind of giving you guys like a wolf cut type thing without doing a real wolf cut. So I'm just gonna get another section, go a little bit lower, and I'm gonna cut right there. You see how that's cutting like layers into the wig? So it doesn't just come like it's flowing. Like as you guys can see, it looks very flowish. See that came out actually pretty good.
After the good cut, I'm now using mousse to just hold the curls in place, and then I'm going to use a diffuser to get the curls to just not move.
For there to be no hair out and there's no lace, I think this is like the best way to do a curly wig. Like, I love it. It looks so natural. You just make sure that you just make it a little fluffy at the roots. And you cut this baby good. You got, it's giving very much natural. Like, I feel like this is my hair, but wig, you know, giving that much, giving very much that, you know. What do y'all think? This is the final results. When I put on makeup and I get cute, I'll show you guys again. This is hair is from UNice Wigs, you guys. Definitely check them out. Everything will be linked in the description. And thank you guys so much for watching. And let me go show you guys the final look. Alrighty, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And this is the finished results. It's giving natural. I've been getting compliments on this hair all week since I've been wearing it. If you need a fast wig, if you're somebody that is not good with lace, not good with frontals, just not into wiggy wigs, this is the wig for you, because it definitely gives so natural, and I love that I can keep my edges out. It's just, it's the wig for you. So definitely, yeah, check out UNice Wigs, and thank you again for sponsoring this video. And yeah, I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye. But yeah, I went on a carnival when I was rising with this wig and it still didn't come off. Girl, this is a curve. It's a curve. Wee. AK, Asha.